In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Vivaldi browser on your computer. The entire process only takes a few minutes, so let's get started. First, open your current web browser and go to the Vivaldi website. Once you're there, click the Download Vivaldi button to download the installer. When the download finishes, open the installer file to begin the installation process. On the Setup window, click Run, then Accept and Install to continue. The installer will now download and install the required files. This usually only takes a few moments depending on your system and internet connection. Once installation is complete, you'll see a couple of optional settings. The first option is Set up Vivaldi for keyboard use and assistive technology. You can enable this if you rely on accessibility features or prefer enhanced keyboard navigation. The second option is Share Crash Reports to help us improve product quality. Turning this on allows Vivaldi to automatically send crash information to help improve future versions of the browser. Enable either option if you'd like, then click Continue. Next, you'll be asked if you want to create a free Vivaldi account. A Vivaldi account gives you access to features like Vivaldi Sync, community services, and more. If you're interested, enter your email address to sign up. If not, you can simply skip this step and continue. On the next screen, you'll see a few browser setup options. You can choose whether to pin Vivaldi to your taskbar, set it as your default browser, and import data from another browser such as bookmarks, passwords, or browsing history. Configure these options however you prefer, then click Continue. You'll now reach the Privacy Settings screen. Here you can choose between no blocking, block trackers, or block trackers and ads. Select the privacy level that best matches your preferences, then click Continue. Next, choose the browser layout you like best. Vivaldi offers several styles, including Classic, Simple, Vertical Left, Vertical Right, Auto Hide, and Bottom. Pick whichever layout looks most comfortable to you. Don't worry if you're unsure, because this and almost every other setting in the setup can be changed later. Once you've made your choice, click Continue. After that, select a theme for the browser. Choose the one you like most, knowing that you can always change it later in the settings. When you're ready, click Continue. The next screen lets you choose which panels you want quick access to, such as bookmarks, downloads, history, notes, and more. The default selection works well for most users, so you can leave everything as it is and click Continue. Next is easy access to your favorites. These are convenient one-click shortcuts that appear within the browser for faster access to commonly used sites and features. I'd recommend leaving the default selection enabled so you can see how they work and where they appear. As usual, you can change these settings later. Click Continue to proceed. You'll now see an option to enable mail, calendar, and feeds. These tools can be useful if you want everything integrated directly into your browser, but I'll leave them disabled for now. Make your choice and click Start Browsing. On the final screen, click Start Browsing one more time to finish the setup. Vivaldi is now installed and ready to use. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new browser.